Nakatakda namang tumulak papuntang Davao City si Pangulong Aquino para dumalo sa ARMM Summit. Layunin ng Pangulo na mahikayat ang mga taga Mindanao na suportahan ang malinis na layunin ng pamahalaan na magkaroon ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa kanilang rehiyon sa pamamagitan ng Comprehensive Agreement ng Bangsamoro. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami Rocky Ignat.
Muling iginit ang Malacanang ang determinasyon ng Aquino administration na matamong tunay na kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa Mindanao. Nakatakdang dumalo ang Pangulo sa idaraos ng ARMM Summit sa Davao City na naglalayong hikayatin ng lahat na makilahok para bigyan daan ang Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro sa pagitan ng gobyerno at Moro Islamic Liberation Front.
He will be flying to Davao City for the second Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Local Government Unit Summit on Governance Development. The President's visit will serve to further catalyze our efforts to build a just and lasting peace among Lumads, Christians, and Muslims, coming at the heels of the opening of the Bangsamoro Transition Commission office in Cotabato, which took place over the weekend.
Nakatakdang dumalo ang Pangulo sa summit sa harap na rin ng inihahasik na karahasan ng rebelde kung saan ang pinakahuli ang pambobomba sa tower ng National Grid Corporation sa Maguindanao. Ayon kay Lacieta, batid naman ang pamahalaan na may kumikilos para madiskaril ang peace talks pero hindi anya ito magiging hadlang sa pagsusulong na tunay na kapayapaan sa rehiyon.
Cannot countenance situations like this where there are people who are bent on sabotaging government resources and infrastructure. But our military is on top of it. The military has been informed and the military will take necessary action to protect the resources and infrastructure of important installations, power, telecommunications. There will always be people who will try to put down the government, especially now that the Bangsamoro peace agreement will be signed, and so we are prepared to make sure that we can push through with our goal to achieve just and lasting peace in Mindanao.
Ipagpapatuloy rin anya ng pamahalaan ang paghimok sa lahat na makipagtulungan sa pagbuo ng Bangsamoro.
The President is resolved to go to Mindanao. The President is determined to forge ahead with the Bangsamoro Peace Agreement and also the Bangsamoro Basic Law, which will be finalized hopefully soon and which by then will be certified by the President to Congress, and hopefully by the year end we will have a Bangsamoro Basic Law upon which we can truly effectuate the mechanisms provided by the peace agreement.
Dagdag pa ni Lacerda, idinaraos ang ARMM Summit sa Davao City dahil sa pinakamabilis puntahan ng mga dadalo mula Basilan, Sulu at Tawi-Tawi. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.